There are a couple of laws that we are looking at when working with the constellation systems. So the first and most important law is the law of belonging. Since the moment that you're born, you belong to a system. You don't need to prove anything. You belong because of your blood, because of you receiving life from your mom and dad, from you being created as a soul. You immediately belong there, and nobody ever can push you away. So the first law is of belonging, and no exclusions are allowed. The second law is the law of balance, where there is a balance in giving and receiving. If one person is only receiving, we can perceive it as stealing. So anything that happens in life and anything that happens in the constellations have to respect the law of giving and receiving. We receive something, we give something, and this is an exchange, this is a balance. Only taking makes one soul suffer, feels unfair. So this is an important law, and we work with it and we check where is the unbalance in there. Then there is the third law, the law of order. There is extreme and perfect order in the constellation. So we're looking at the things, we're looking at the objects. If things are positioned in their perfect order, if they are not, we have to adjust and correct that. I would say there is another law that is called I see. We need to be aware of things. Sometimes we decide and our soul may choose to not see, but not seeing is creating pain, is creating damage. So we can also call there is the law of I see. Seeing the good in life, seeing the bad in life, accepting, giving space to the good and the bad. This is a magnificent, a very powerful law, and we're working with this too.